My name is Andrew Smith. I live in a small village in Derbyshire called Brailsford, which lies on the A52 between Derby and Ashbourne. Brailsford's mentioned in the Domesday Book. In the 2021 census, it had a population of 1,406. The average hours of sunshine in Derbyshire is 1,409. I say all this because Brailsford has been earmarked in the pre-planning proposal for a solar park. British Solar Renewables have submitted a pre-planning application to build a 373-acre solar park. Derbyshire District Council in October 2025, and I quote, said, "Over-industrialising the countryside." The leader of the council has claimed that these are Chinese-manufactured eco-deserts. Now, this is taking up 373 acres of farmland, productive agricultural land. If we are going to get any food security, if we're going to get any sustainability, we can ill afford to cover good quality farmland with metal, plastic and glass. Natural England has classified the land as grade 3, good to moderate, and grade 2, very good. I've lived in Brailsford for 25 years. The land earmarked for this development has grown rapeseed, flaxseed, wheat and barley. All crops that indirectly go into the food chain. Now, I know utilities are under pressure. Water, for example, is becoming a problem. We know if there are 3 days of sunshine, there's a water shortage, drought conditions, hosepipe bans. There clearly has to be some way of collecting rainwater and improving the supply to residential areas. Now, I'm not saying we should put a bucket on our roofs and collect rainwater and that would solve the problem, but perhaps we may consider putting solar panels on warehouse roofs, industrial estates, public buildings, residential properties to ease the demand for electrical power. Using ground-based solar farms, it creates wastelands and puts otherwise productive farmland to waste. And bear in mind, these solar farms can last generations. The proposal by Brailsford Solar Park is to take out the 373 acres for between 40 and 45 years. We need to think about other alternatives to provide electrical energy without sacrificing quality farmland. The timescale of this proposal, we're currently at the pre-planning, design and preparation stage. This is going to be followed by a consultation period whereby various parties will be asked to submit their response to the pre-plan. There will be consultation events. There has been one at the local village hall to showcase the proposals. The final project design is scheduled for January, with a formal planning application submitted in February-March 2026. This is a very sensitive development. There are lots of considerations, but there are huge objections. Huge objections on the grounds of loss of productive arable and agricultural land, development of green belt, the eco impacts, local heritage, nature, public footpaths and bridleways, all deserve our protection. So this is my first vlog. I will endeavour to keep you up to date with progress, and over the coming weeks and months produce more short videos to show you the progress.